Is your jewelry looking a little dull? It might be time to clean your jewelry. Hi, I'm Rebecca with Bodyartforms, and today I'll be going over what not to do when cleaning your jewelry. There's lots of tips and tricks online to clean your jewelry, but let's go over some common cleaning mistakes. First, it's important to know what material your jewelry is made from. Not all materials are the same. Some are soft and delicate, like gold, and using the correct cleaning technique and gentle handling will help you avoid damaging your jewelry. A second common mistake is regularly wearing your jewelry in the shower. While it seems like an easy way to clean it, not all jewelry is safe to wear in the shower. While gold, titanium, and implant-grade steel hold up well in the shower, other delicate materials can be damaged by the hard water. Some hair products and other cleansers can have a negative effect on metal plating, and hot water can damage any adhesive that might be holding gems in place. Another frequent error is using harsh chemicals to clean your jewelry. Using bleach, alcohol, or cleaning products is great to clean your house, but it's not for your jewelry. Harsh chemicals can affect the finished surface of your metal jewelry and permanently damage it. For this reason, you should also avoid wearing jewelry in chlorine water. There are also a lot of DIYs out there that use vinegar or lemon juice, but the acidity of these can also discolor, tarnish, and damage your jewelry. As a rule of thumb, avoid any harsh chemicals and acids to clean your jewelry. The fourth frequent mistake you should be aware of is scrubbing your jewelry with a toothbrush and toothpaste. While gently using a soft bristled brush can help clean the crevices of jewelry and is especially useful for cleaning jewelry that you wear in your mouth, not all materials can withstand it well. Some materials are very soft and the brush can scratch the jewelry. Toothpaste is also abrasive, so combining both can scratch and loosen some gems your jewelry might have, as well as dull the finish of some precious metals. Finally, the last common mistake to be aware of is boiling your jewelry. The jewelry can warp when it comes in contact with the bottom of the glass or metal pot. When cleaning your jewelry, a quick dip in warm water, not hot water, can help loosen any debris. As we mentioned earlier, don't use hot water on your jewelry. When cleaning your jewelry, make sure to keep it safe. A little soap and water or a dry polishing cloth goes a long way. If you're wondering about how to clean a specific type of jewelry material, take a look at our jewelry cleaning playlist or let us know in the comments. If you're ready to shop for new jewelry, check out thousands of designs at bodyartforms.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope this was helpful. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow us on all of our social media platforms at Bodyartforms. Bye!